this video, I'll be showing you how to add a table in Microsoft Word. To insert a table, go to the top tabs and click on the one labeled Insert. Right here, we have a section labeled Table. Click on that, and now I can hover on top of this ribbon right here to add a table, depending on the number of rows and columns I want to add. After highlighting the number of rows and columns, I will click on it to add the table. If I go back to add a table, you will notice that the maximum number of rows I can add using this method is 10 and 8 columns. If I want more rows or columns, I can use the second method, which is clicking on Insert Table. Now, I can enter the number of rows and columns I want. When done, click OK. When I go to the table again, you will see the option to draw a table. When I click on it, I can now draw my table with this pen tool. This is mostly used when you are working on a project where you want to draw a custom table. For example, when typing college exams or test papers. You can also add a table using this one called Excel Spreadsheet. You should use this if your table needs some features in Excel, like formulas, if functions, and the rest. You can also add a table from an Excel sheet. To do that, you just have to go to Insert, then you go to this text section, then you click on the object icon, then the object. Click on Create from File, then click on Browse. Now you can select the Excel file you want to enter. Then click OK. And that will enter the table from that spreadsheet. You can double-click to make changes to the Excel file. We also have quick tables, which allow you to add a pre-designed table for yourself. You can choose any of the tables depending on the one that suits your project, and you can start making adjustments to the tables. You will discover that anytime you add a table, you have these new tabs called Table Design and Table Layout. This allows you to create a colorful table and also adjust the layout, cells, rows, and columns, and format it whichever way you feel. This is very important, guys. I'm currently at 700 subscribers, and I really need to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of April. Please, click the subscribe button. I will really appreciate it. Thanks. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below.